उलयता आसतना आमी इवन दो आता स्क्रॅप यार्ड जे आसा पळय हांच्याय खातीर फायनलायज स्पीकर सर आमी जाता तितके बेगीन करता. पंचायत डिपार्टमेंटात आमच्या ऑनलायन सर्विसीस सुरू करपा खातीर ऑलरेडी इनिशिएटिव्स घेतला. त्यांचे सगळे टॅक्स पेमेंट आसतले किंवा त्याची अटेंडन्स पासून बाकीचे सगळे हे आमी जे आसा पळय न्हू हे पंचायतींतल्यान एक स्ट्रीमलायन सर्विसीस लोकांक दिवपाचें काम आमचें सरकार करतलें. स्पीकर सर आमी एग्रीकल्चर अमृतकाल पॉलिसी लोकां समोर मांडली आनी एग्रीकल्चर अमृतकाल पॉलिसी मांडटा आसतना की आमी अमृतकाला कडेन वचपी गोंयाक स्वयंपूर्ण करपी गोंय विकसीत भारताच्या बरोबर विकसीत गोंय करपा खातीर ICR आसतलो किंवा आमचे NIO आसतले हाज्या बरोबर खाजन प्लॅन डेव्हलपमेंट करपा खातीर आसतले किंवा खाजन रिवायवल करपा खातीर आसतले तुझो मिठागार करपा खातीर आसतले अशा पद्दतीचे वेगवेगळे प्रकल्प हातात घेवपाचे ह्या बजेटात आमी ताका प्रोविजन केला आनी येता त्या दिसांनी आमकां ते दिसतले. स्पीकर सर अपेडाचो सेंटर जो आसा पळय न्ही जेका गोंयांत डेव्हलप करपाचें ऑलरेडी डिसिजन जाला आनी तेय बी आमी निश्चित रित्या हांगासर गोंयांत डेव्हलप करपाक शकतले. स्पीकर सर परवा इंटरनॅशनल पॉपल फेस्टिवल हांगासर सेलिब्रेट करता आसतना दिव्यांग लोकां खातीर प्रधानमंत्री दिव्यांशू केंद्र आसुनी किंवा स्पायनल रिहॅब सेंटर आसुनी जे फाटल्या वर्साच्या कार्यकाळात पयलेच फावटी गोंयांत सुरू जावपाक शकले. इट इज अ अचिवमेंट ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट. अदरवायज इतक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात अशा पद्दतीची फेसिलिटीज गोंयांत केन्ना अवेलेबल नाशिल्ली ही खरी अचिवमेंट आसा. स्पीकर सर आमी एकदां ही बारीक गजाल न्ही स्पीकर सर ती लोकांक दिसतना कारण प्रधानमंत्री दिव्यांशू केंद्र हे थोड्या जाणांनी अजून वचून पळोवंक ना आनी स्पायनल रिहॅब सेंटरूय बी तांच्यांनी अजून वचून पळोवंक ना आसतलें कारण हांव परत सांगता हांवें फाटले फावटी सांगिल्लें जे म्हापसांतले चली जेचो स्पायनल कॉर्ड डॅमेज जाल्लो जे चेन्नई वताले ट्रिटमेंटाक म्हाका पयरच्या फंक्शनाक परत मेळ्ळे ते हांवें ताका तेन्ना परत दितालें कोण ते वर्ल्ड चॅस चॅम्पियनशिपाक ते एंकरींग करपाक आयिल्ले ते सेम चली हांवें ते सांगलें ना म्हणल्यार आपूण आतां हांगाच ट्रिटमेंट घेता म्हणपाक लागले. शी इज फ्रॉम म्हापसा म्हणजे एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो तेन्ना तिचो कंप्लिटली स्पायनल कॉर्ड डॅमेज जाल्लो आनी शी इज गोईंग एवरी म्हयन्याक 2 फावटी चेन्नई वताले. नाव शी इज टेकिंग द ट्रिटमेंट इन अवर स्पायनल रिहॅब सेंटर. ह्यो फेसिलिटीज ज्यो आसा पळय स्पीकर सर ह्यो आमी हांगा करपाक शकले. नो डावट कॅन्सरच्या बाबतींत सगळ्यांनी जे म्हटलं आमी मेडिकल आमची आमी रिवायव करता जेणे करून मेडिक्लेम जी आसा पळय तांकां इजिली मेळपाक जाय. हाज्या खातीर स्पीकर सर
कन्सिडर कोत म्हणून तांगे इनक्रीज इन पेमेंट
स्पीकर सर त्यो करता. स्पीकर सर आमच्या वेरियस म्हणजे होम डिपार्टमेंटाच्या बाबतींतूय आमी वेरियस नवे रिफॉर्म्स आनी हे ते स्पीकर सर हाडल्या. म्हाका खास करून म्हणजे आमी एमनेस्टी स्कीम इन अवर कॉपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीच्या मार्फत ऑलरेडी प्रोसेस केल्या. वन टाइम सेटलमेंट स्कीम इन द वेट लिगसी जे डिस्प्युटेड विषय जे आहा स्पीकर सर ते ह्या आमच्या टेन्युअरात आमी खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात रिजॉल्व करपाक घेतल्या. म्हणून म्हाका दिसता ह्या फावटीचे एप्रोप्रिएशन बील हे सांगता आसतना प्रत्येका खातीर प्रोविजन जे आसा हातूंतल्यान केल्ले आनी प्रत्येक प्रोविजन जी गजाल आमी ठरयल्या स्पीकर सर एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट हांवें दिवपा खातीर सुरवात केल्या. त्या खातीर ह्याय बजेटाचो एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट जो आसा पळय न्ही हो तांकां मेळटलो आनी ताज्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी उलोवचें. हांव खास करून सांगता की फाटले फावटीचो जो आसा पळय न्ही 95% एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट जो आसा पळय न्ही हो आमी तुमकां दिल्लो आनी ताकाच लागून स्पीकर सर तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट करता की हे एप्रोप्रिएशन बील जे आसा ते तुमी पास करचें इतकें तुमकां सांगता. म्हजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता स्पीकर.
आता विधेयकात कलमवार सभागृहात सादर करता. विधेयकाक दृश्यना प्रश्न असो आसा कलम 2 कलम 3 परिशिष्ट कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतीक म्हटल्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें हय जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. कलम 2 कलम 3 परिशिष्ट कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र प्रतीक आणि प्रतीक म्हटल्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाला. मुख्यमंत्री आता विधेयक मानून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव म्हणचो.
Speaker sir, I request to move that Goa appropriation bill be passed.
प्रश्न असा विधेयक मानून घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. गोंय विनियोग क्रमांक 3 विधेयक 2025 मंजूर जाला. 2025-26 वर्सां खातीरचे अनुदानीत पुरवणी मागण्यो पयलो बॅच सादरीकरण भासाभास आनी मतदान 2025-26 वर्सां खातीर अनुदानीत पुरवणी बॅच मुख्यमंत्री मांडच्यो.
Sir, on the recommendation of Honorable Governor, I present the supplementary demand for the grant for the year 25-26 first batch.
Yes. आता आमी 2025-26 वर्सां खातीर अनुदानीत पुरवणी मागण्यो पयलो बॅच घेवया. मुख्यमंत्री आता आता हांव 2025-26 वर्सां खातीर अनुदानीत पुरवणी मागण्यो पयलो बॅच सभागृहाच्या मतदाना खातीर घालता. जेका मान्य आसा तांणी हय म्हणचें,
हय.
जेका मान्य ना तांणी ना म्हणचें. प्रश्न आसा सभागृहांत सादर केल्ल्यो 2025-26 वर्सां खातीर अनुदानीत पुरवणी मागण्यो पयलो बॅच मंजूर करपाचें काय कितें, जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें,
हय.
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान जालें, हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान जालें. 2025-26 वर्सां खातीर अनुदानीत पुरवणी मागण्यो पयलो बॅच मंजूर जाल्यात. 2025-26 वर्सां खातीर अनुदानीत पुरवणी मागण्यांच्या संबंदात पयलो बॅच गोंय विनियोग क्रमांक 4 विधेयक 2025 मांडपाक विचारून घेवपा खातीर मंजूर करपा खातीर द प्रोप्रिएशन बील 4 बील 2025 आता मुख्यमंत्री विनियोग क्रमांक 4 विधेयक 2025 सभागृहात दाखल करून प्रस्ताव मांडचो.
Sir, I request to move for leave to introduce the Goa Appropriation Number 4 Bill 2025.
प्रश्न असा विधेयक मांडपाक अनुमती दिवची काय कितें, जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें,
हय.
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें, हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. विधेयक मांडपाक अनुमती दिल्या. विधेयक म्हणचें.
Sir, I request to introduce the Goa Appropriation Number 4 Bill 2025.
गोंय विनियोग क्रमांक 4 विधेयक 2025 सभागृहात मांडला. मुख्यमंत्री विधेयका विचारून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडचो.
Sir, I request to move that the Goa Appropriation Bill 2025 be taken into consideration.
प्रश्न असा विधेयक
Speaker, sir, आप bill explain करता. Bill explain करता.
हे जे
आता रे पहिले.
हे एक सायडीन एक हा, एक सायडीन दुसरा हा. तुमचे कितें धरून काडून टायप करून हे बायंड करून धाडलें दिसता. कोण वाचता म्हणून जाणा तुमी. ओके घेवन बसपाचें
Speaker, sir,
एक सायडीन पेज अशी आहा, एक सायडीन पेज अशी आहा. अशी वाचप मागीर अशी धरप.
हा, ते चुकोन प्रिंट
कितें
आहे.
आसा?
तुझेच परते बी येवना मरे पळय.
म्हाका तशें धाडटा दिसता तुमी. म्हाका धाडया म्हणून पळतो. कितें स्पिकर सर मातशें आमी सिरियस घेवंक जाय. हे गोंयचे पॅकेट ऑफ चिप्स हे चिप्स तुका सारकें हे पळय हे अशें एकूच जालें मिस्टेकीन
सारकें दिलें तुका.
मिस्टेकीन जालें
सारकें दिलें म्हणून तुका. येस. हां विरेश बाब, विरेश.
Speaker, sir, I explain करता.
मुखेलमंत्र्यान मार्क केला आमकां सारको.
एक मिनिट.
फुटबॉलान मार्क बी कशें करता सर हाका धाड म्हणणे.
येस, एक मिनिट.
Speaker, sir,
विरेश बाब
हांव पहिले उलयता. Speaker, sir, initial budget size is 28,162 कोटी, of which 20,299 कोटी is towards the revenue expenditure and 7,863 कोटी is towards the capital expenditure. The budget estimated a revenue surplus of 2,403.71 crores. The current supplementary is totaling of rupees 985.47 crores, which is a 3.50% additional, of which 268.57 crores for revenue expenditure and 717 crores, 40 crores for capital expenditure. We had expected the total special assistance of rupees 900 crores under the Government of India scheme as a special assistant of a scheme for capital investment. In the initial budget of the scheme, guidelines were yet to be formulated by the Minister of the Finance, Government of India. However, the guidelines is circulated in the month of April 2025. The Goa is eligible for more assistance to extent of around 1,600 crores, either around 700 crores additionally, which will be used for capital outlay. Last year, we have drawn more than 1,200 crores as a special assistance under this scheme, and this year, we have already drawn 450 crores as on date. With the supplementary provided, the revenue surplus projected reduced by 250 crores to around 2,150 crores, and fiscal deficit is expected to increase by about 600 crores to rupees 3,400 crores against the projection made in the initial budget. And with the GSTP projected of rupees 1.38 lakhs crores, and the fiscal deficit is expected to stay within the prescribed limit of the 3% of FRBM Act.
येस, पुढे विरेश बाब.
पास करपाचें म्हणत आहे.
उलयता मरे उलोवंक स्पिकर सर स्पिकर ना सप्लिमेंटरी न्हू
एका मिनिटात मरे उलय एका मिनिटात
सप्लिमेंटरी मरे उलोवपाचें ना
उलय एका मिनिटात उलय
कन्सिडर स्पिकर सर सप्लिमेंटरी डिमांड्सान आयज परत सप्लिमेंटरी येयलो स्पिकर सर हांव कित्याक सांगपाक सोदता कित्याक मातशें उलोवंक दिया
उलय
स्पिकर सर 2019-20 हो
असो जो सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट आसलो तो 2008.57 करोज जो आसलो आनी सेविंग त्या वर्सा उरलो तो 6031.38 करोज 2020 आनी 21 ह्या फायनान्शियल इयराक सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट आसलो 1090.27 करोज आनी सेविंग उरलो 4102.68 करोज परत 2021-22 सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट आसलो 1690.23 करोज आनी सेविंग उरलो तो म्हटल्यार 7091.67 करोज 2022-23 जो सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट आसलो तो 1898.17 करोज आनी सेविंग उरलो तो 6608.88 करोज 2023-24 हांगा सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट आसलो तो 1711.02 करोज आनी सेविंग उरलो तो 6372.48 करोज स्पीकर सर हितून इतलेंच दिसता की सेविंग एक्झिस्टिंग आसा पण तरी पूण आमी सप्लिमेंटरी घेता हे प्रत्येक वर्सा सो गेल्या त्या वर्साचेय सांगले स्पीकर सर आतां आमी पळोवया जो सीएजी रिकमेंडेशन आसा फॉर गेल्या त्या वर्सा 23-24 हांगा स्पीकर सर क्लियर सांगला द स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट मे रिव्यू द मेकॅनिझम सेट टू क्रॅब अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंडिचर सप्लिमेंटरी ग्रांट्स आणि स्पीकर सर 2023-24 जो सप्लिमेंटरी प्रोविजन ऑफ रुपीज 1711.02 करोड जो आसा इन 80 ग्रांट्स म्हटल्यार इतलो जाल्लो आसा खंय स्पीकर सर तशेंच however expenditure incurred in 14 cases was below the original provision of rupees 7416 crores speaker sir तशेंच supplementary provisions of rupees 562 crores in 14 cases proved unnecessary
मातसो इंटरप्ट करता
ना स्पीकर नाले हाजे काबार करता
स्पीकर सर
हे अननेसेसरी म्हणून सीएजी रिपोर्ट आसा स्पीकर सर
मातसो इंटरप्ट करता ताका कन्फ्युजन जातलें म्हणून सीएजी रिपोर्ट तो वाचता पळय न्ही तो ताका मागीर वचूनी तेणी पयलीं जें सांगलें पळय न्ही आमी सरप्लस बजेट आसा मागीर ताजें कितें म्हणल्या की सप्लिमेंटरी घेवं नाका इट इज एन ऑनगोईंग
हांवें सप्लिमेंटरी घेवन हांव ना मुखेलमंत्र्याक अशें गडबड करची हांवें कितें जालां म्हटल्यार हेच्या पयलू कितें जालां कितली सेविंग जाल्या आनी कितलो सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट घेतला हे सांगला सर आनी जो सीएजी रिपोर्टान कितें सांगला पळय तेही सांगला हांवें म्हाजें कांय सांगना सरप्लस हे म्हाजें कांय सांगना गडबड करूं नाका गडबड करची न्हू स्पीकर सर तशेंच जो सप्लिमेंटरी प्रोविजन घेतलो 562 करोड इन 14 केसीस प्रूव्ड अननेसेसरी हो सीएजी रिपोर्टान सांगला हांवें सांगना स्पीकर सर 7 केसीस जे आसा द एक्सपेंडिचर वॉज लेस दॅन 70% ऑफ ओरिजिनल प्रोविजन स्पीकर सर हो क्लियरली जो सीएजी रिपोर्ट आसा 2023-24 ह्या सीएजी रिपोर्टान क्लियर कट सांगलेले आसा की सरकारान जो बजेट एलोकेशन करता तो सारको करपाक जाय आनी खंयचेय डिपार्टमेंट करता तो युटिलायज सारको करपाक जाय हांवें म्हणूं ना की सप्लिमेंटरी डिमांड घेवं नाका म्हणून हांवें म्हटलां फक्त कितें की सेविंग जाता इतली सेविंग जाता 6372 ही इतली सेविंग जाल्ली आसा करोडाची सेविंग जाल्ली आसा आनी तुमी सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट त्या वर्सा घेतलो आसा 1711 करोड सो कन्फ्युजन क्रिएट करचें न्हू हांव सिंपल म्हणटा की जेन्ना सेविंग जाता तेन्ना सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट कसो घेता सो हेका लागून जो डिपार्टमेंट जो सरकार आसा सरकारान हेजेर लक्ष दवरपाची गरज आसा फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी मुखेलमंत्री फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटाचो हेड आसा सो हे हो एक मुद्दम तुमकां सांगला
स्पीकर सर सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट जे आमी घेता हे डेव्हलपमेंट वर्का खातीर घेता डेव्हलपमेंट आमी हे कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस आसा आमी जर सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट घेतले ना जाल्यार एडिशनल डेव्हलपमेंटाची कामां जी आसा ही नवीनूय घेवपाक शकचे ना आनी केन्ना केन्ना खंयचोय एखादो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा तो थंयसरूच उरूंक शकता तो म्हणटा तसो सीएजीन खंयसर तरी रिमार्क एखादो घातलो आसत जाल्यार एखाद्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो जो एक्सपेक्टेड जितको फंड्स दाखयल्लो ताका बजेटान प्रोविजन केल्ले तितूंतलो फंड्स खंय तरी उरलो आसतलो हांव ना म्हणना बट सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट प्रोविजन जे आसा हे एडिशनल कामा खातीर करचेच पडटा आनी इट इज एन डेव्हलपमेंटल वर्क जर फुडें व्हरचे आसत दीस इज फॉर द कॅपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर
विधेयक विचारून घेवचें काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें हय जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें विधेयक विचारान घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मान्य जाला आतां हांव विधेयक कलमार सभागृहांत सादर करता विधेयकाक दुरुस्त्यो नात प्रश्न आसा कलम 2 कलम 3 कलम परिशिष्ट कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतीक मथल्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें हय जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय मंडळाचे म्हणणे मान्य झाले. हय मंडळाचे म्हणणे मान्य झाले. कलम 2 कलम 3 परिशिष्ट कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतिमत्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाल्यात. मुख्यमंत्री आता विधेयक मानून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडचो.
Sir, I request to move that the Goa appropriation number 4 bill 2025 be passed.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक मानून घेवचें. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें.
हय.
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय मंडळाचे म्हणणे मान्य जालें. हय मंडळाचे म्हणणे मान्य जालें. गोंय विनियोग क्रमांक 4 विधेयक 2025 मंजूर जालात. The Goa Hoarding Regulation and Control Bill 2025. डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान विधेयक विचारून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडचो.
Sir, I request to move that bill number 8 of 2025, the Goa Hoardings Regulations and Control Bill 2025 be taken into consideration.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक विचारून घेवचें. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें.
Speaker sir, हांव 2 मिनटां actually bill पे केल्लें तें सिलेक्ट कमिटींतल्यान आयला बिल डायरेक्ट पासिंगान घालूं येता.
येस.
अमेंडमेंट आसा फक्त काही अमेंडमेंट आसा दाजी.
Because clause 15F of B, criteria of holding in schedule 2 at page number 33 of the existing clause. 15F shall be deleted and substituted by the following, namely 15F, the hoarding shall be allowed only if the lighting is focused directly on the sign so that the glare does not extend beyond the hoarding.
येस. एकच मिनट रिकॉर्डा खातीर हांवें वाचून आशिल्लें. आतां हांव विधेयक कलमार सभागृहांत सादर करता. विधेयकाक श्री कृष्णा साळकार आनी दुरुस्ती आसात. विधेयकाक परिशिष्ट 2B कलम 15 मधून एक दुरुस्ती आसात. आमदार श्री कृष्ण साळकार म्हणजे मानता मांडले न्ही
मान आता
हां
मान परत मान.
Speaker sir, in clause 15F of B, criteria for hoardings in the schedule 2 at page number 33, the existing clause 15F shall be deleted and substituted by the following, namely 15F, the hoarding shall be allowed only if the lighting is focused directly on the sign so that the glare does not extend beyond the hoarding.
येस. आमदार श्री कृष्णा साळकार हांणी मांडली दुरुस्ती सभागृहा मुखार आसा. आतां विधेयकाच्या परिशिष्ट कलम 2B च्या कलम 15 दुरुस्ती सभागृहाक मतदान घालता. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें.
हय.
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. दुरुस्त्यो मंजूर जाल्यो. आतां विधेयक कलमार विचारून घेवया. प्रश्न असो आसा कलम 2 ते 34 अनुसूचित 1 अनुसूचित 2 दुरुस्ती प्रमाणे अनुसूचित 3 कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतिमत्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें.
हय.
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. कलम 2 ते 34 अनुसूचित 1 अनुसूचित 2 दुरुस्ती प्रमाणे अनुसूचित 3 कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रतिमत्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाल्लो आसा. मुख्यमंत्री आता विधेयकाचे दुरुस्ते सहित मंजुरी खातीर थारा मांडचो.
Sir, I request to move that bill number 8 of 2025, the Goa Hoarding Regulation and Control Bill, दुरुस्ती सहित be passed.
प्रश्न असा विधेयक दुरुस्ती सहित मंजूर करचें काय कितें. जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें.
हय.
जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. द गोवा होर्डिंग रेग्युलेशन कंट्रोल बिल 2025 दुरुस्ती प्रमाणे मंजूर जाला. द गोवा पब्लिक युनिव्हर्सिटी बिल 2025 डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत माननीय शिक्षण मंत्र्यान विधेयक विचारून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडलो.
Sir, I request to move that bill number 34 of 2025, the Goa Public University Bill 2025, be taken into consideration. There is an durusti aha. Durusti mandpala din.
First up. Speaker sir, amendment to clause 10, 1 and 2. At page 14 in line 31, the subclauses 1 and 2 to clause 10 shall be deleted and substituted by the following. As subclause 1 to clause 10, namely the Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the Chancellor as per the procedure laid down under the statutes that shall be incorporated by the UGC from time to time. The Vice Chancellor shall be a full-time salaried officer of the public university. Amendment to clause 19. At page 18 in line 21, clause 19 shall be deleted. Amendment to clause 20. At page 20 in line 13, the subclause 2 to clause 20, the subclause 4, 5, 6 and 7 shall be deleted. At page 20 in line 24 in subclause 2, to clause 20, the subclauses 10, 11, 12, 13 shall be deleted and substituted by the following as subclause 10, namely 5 persons with an outstanding achievement from academics, research, professional fields such as medicine, engineering, business, law, banking, etc. A retired judiciary be nominated by the Chancellor. At page 21 in line 6 in subclause 2 of clause 20, the following subclauses, namely 15, 16, 17 and 18 shall be deleted. At page 21 in subclause 2 of clause 20 be added, namely 1 teacher, 1 librarian, 1 director of physical education to be elected from among the cluster colleges. At page 21 in subclause 2 of clause 20, the following subclause 21 be added, namely 1 student representative from cluster colleges be appointed or chairman of the public university students council be appointed as member of the EC, that is the executive council. At page 21 in subclause 2 of clause 20, the following subclause 22 be added, namely 1 member from the OBC, SC, ST community.
गणेश
सभागृहात सादर करता विधेयकाक श्री गणेश गांवकर, विजय सरदेसाय आणि कालोज फिल्टरांची आणि दुरुस्ती आसा. एकच मिनिट. विधेयकाच्या कलमार रिकॉर्डा खातीर
विजयान मांडली
34 आणि 35 हातून दुरुस्ती आसात. श्री गणेश गांवकर आणि दुरुस्ती सभागृहात मांडची. विधेयकात 10, 9 आणि 20 हातून दुरुस्ती आसात. श्री विजय सरदेसाय आणि दुरुस्ती मांडची. विधेयकात 6, 7, 12, 14, 34 आणि 35 हातून दुरुस्ती आसात. आमदार श्री कालोज फिल्टरांनी दुरुस्ती मांडची. गणेश गांवकर.
Speaker sir, amendment to clause 34, page 28 in line 20, after the expression these matters, the expression including new appointment shall be added. Amendment to clause 35, page 28 in line 33, after the expression these matters, the expression including new appointment shall be added.
Yes. Shri Kalu Ferreira.
Amendment to clause 6 at page 12 in line 12, line 24, the existing subsection 1 of section 6 shall be deleted and substituted with the following, namely, the public university shall have power to admit any college or institution to the privilege of affiliation. Amendment to clause 7 at page 13 in line 13, after the first proviso, insert the following as the second proviso, namely, provided in respect of minority institutions, their rights guaranteed under articles 29 and 30 of the Constitution of India 1950 shall stand protected. Amendment to clause 12 at page 16 in line 16, after subsection 1 of section 12 of the Act, after the phrase prescribed by statutes, the phrase without affecting the rights of minorities guaranteed under Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution of India 1950 shall be inserted. Amendment to clause 14 at page 17 in line 11 of clause 14, the following proviso shall be inserted, namely, provided that in respect of minority institutions, the right to administer the institutions established by them guaranteed under Articles 29 and 30 of the Constitution of India 1950 shall not stand affected. Amendment to clause 34 at page 28 in line 12, the existing subsection 1 of section 34 shall be deleted and substituted by the following subsection 1, namely, the staff of the public university shall be appointed by the public university and the staff of the cluster colleges or institutions shall be appointed by the management of each such college stroke institution. Amendment to clause 35 at page 28 in line 25, in the existing subsection 1 of section 35 shall be deleted and substituted by the following as subsection 1, namely, 1, the non-teaching staff of the public university shall be appointed by the public university and the staff of the cluster colleges or institutions shall be appointed by the management of each such institutions.
Yes. आमदार श्री गणेश गांवकर, श्री विजय सरदेसाय आणि कालोज फेरेरा आणि मांडिल्ले दुरुस्ती सभागृहात आसात. आता आमदार श्री गणेश गांवकर, विजय सरदेसाय आणि कालोज फेरेरा आणि दुरुस्त्यो सभागृहाच्या मतदान घालता, जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें.
स्पीकर सर एक मिनिट. हांव तांच्यांनी ज्यो दुरुस्त्यो मांडल्या विजय सरदेसाय
एक्सप्लेन कर जानी.
एक्सप्लेन कर.
सगळ्यांक उलोवपाक जाय
हांव उलय न्ही.
स्पीकर सर,
येस बऱ्या.
हे गोवा पब्लिक युनिवर्सिटीज बिल 2025 हो कसलो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक हे बिल हाडला हो पयलो प्रश्न आहा. स्पीकर सर, द बिल इज सायटिंग द नॅशनल एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 preamble cluster idea जी आसा NEP is meant for overloaded university speaker sir. Goa University is not overloaded. पहिले म्हणल्यार जेन्ना ती overloaded ना तेन्ना सरकारान सांगूंक जाय, does it believe that there is a crisis in governance or quality at Goa University? If so, what is the crisis? Nationally, speaker sir, some universities have 600, 700 affiliated colleges, which is making it very hard to manage academics effectively. Policy discussions, including NEP 2020, say the problem begins when a university has more than 200 to 300 colleges. Goa University has only 67 affiliated institutions, far below the national average of 180. So there is no overcrowding or scale issue here that would justify creating a cluster. Second, speaker sir, the bill is allowing the government to remove colleges from Goa
Yes,
University.
एक minute, 1 minute. Yes.
Under Rule 16, I would like to move a motion to extend the duration of sitting of House by 1 hour.
The motion is that the duration of sitting of the House extended by 1 hour. Those in favor may say aye.
Aye.
Those against may say no. I say it, I said motion is adopted. The duration of sitting of the House extended by 1 hour.
Speaker sir, my second objection which I was talking is that we are at a risk of breaking up a working system. The bill is allowing the government to remove colleges from Goa University and place them in a new university, which is section 3, establishment of public universities, and section 38, disaffiliation of colleges. Speaker sir, this has been tried in other states and the result should make us cautious. In Karnataka, after Mangalore University lost many affiliated colleges to a new university, its students numbers dropped from 1.8 lakhs to 75,000. Revenue dried up, courses closed. The situation became so bad that the university started renting its own auditorium for wedding functions to sustain itself. This is the position of Mangalore University. Odisha's Kalikot University, Uttarakhand's residential university in Almora saw similar features. Both were eventually shut or merged back. Speaker sir, third issue, assets, staffs and cost. There is no clarity. The bill says that the assets, land and staff will be transferred to a new university, section 37, 52 and 53. But there is no clear plan for what will happen. Baba, poya jo university bhi hota tha na. ये अशे बहुत time pass झाला है. Speaker sir,
Vision.
the bill says that assets, land and staff will be transferred to the new university, section 37, 52 and 53. But there is no clear plan of what will happen to staff's service conditions, pensions, who will bear the liabilities. There is a financial cost, speaker sir, 25 crores just to start these cluster universities. That is there in the financial memorandum. There will be recurring expenses every year. This money could be used to improve infrastructure, research and faculty training at the Goa University only. Because sir, too much of government control. Fourth objection. Most key bodies of new universities will have many government nominees, section 9, 10, 49 and 50. This means government colleges will have a bigger say while aided and private colleges will be sidelined. Although the private colleges in Goa are aided by the government, the management of these colleges have built these institutions from scratch over decades, even before the government started giving them aid. Their voices and autonomy must not be drowned by a governance system dominated by government nominees. Speaker sir, the bill also gives the government and the chancellor power to give binding orders, inspect and even dissolve the university. Section 9, 10, 54 and 57. This goes against the principle of academic freedom. Speaker sir, fifth objection, weak safeguards. The bill allows the government to override existing laws, frame laws, remove difficulties for 3 years after it comes into force. Section 54 to 57. There are no clear protections for academic independence or stakeholder rights. Speaker sir, objection number 6. There is sign of trouble even today. A government college in North Goa started a BSc psychology course in a hurry. The syllabus was not ready and even after the course began, it remained incomplete. The syllabus was wrongly approved by the Board of Studies of BA Psychology instead of the relevant science body. If such mistakes happen under one university, creating more universities will multiply these issues. Speaker sir, at the Goa University, students chose electives. They choose electives based on the proximity, not the academic diversity. For example, Goa Business School students mostly take electives from Manohar Parrikar School and vice versa. Why? because they are just buildings opposite each other. They avoid electives in far-off blocks. If this is the case with one campus, how will students and teachers travel between colleges spread across the state? There is no plan or pilot study to address this. Speaker sir, objection number 7 is the loss of true variety. Most colleges in Goa offer general courses, BA, BSc, BCom. If you cluster two colleges offering the same course together, what exactly changes? Change what is the real multidisciplinary benefit? There is no real benefit. Because sir, will colleges be forced to start new courses just to fit the cluster? If yes, will these courses be funded by the government or will the colleges bear the cost? There is no provision in the bill for mandatory government funding of new courses. Speaker sir, objection number 8. This is a small state. This is a small system. Why you need a big new structure? Goa is a small state with a small higher education system. We don't have hundreds of colleges to manage. So why create a big costly structure for such a small system? Speaker sir, objection number 9. Why break when we can build? Goa University is a 40-year-old institution. It has earned an A+ grade from NEC, is ranked in the NIRF, recognized in QS Asia rankings. It leads in marine and region-specific research and has growing academic output. Speaker sir, instead of breaking it into smaller pieces, what we can do? We can add new departments and research centers. We can bring in NEP reforms like flexible credits and more choice within the Goa University itself. We can improve the governance by making sure UGC is part of the BC selection and by strengthening the academic and financial oversight. Speaker sir, finally, म्हाका अशें दिसता की हे bill models घेता which have failed elsewhere without adapting them to Goa's size and needs. So I am requesting the House not to weaken a functioning university for an untested idea. Speaker sir, I urge this House to reject this bill in its current form or send it to our select committee for full review. We have to strengthen the Goa University, not break it apart. काल आम्ही गावकारी म्हणटा तो सिस्टम फोडलो. आज तुम्ही गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी फोडूंक सोदतात. एज्युकेशन सिस्टम ओवरऑल आम्ही काबार करून फुडें सरल्या काय कितें हे क्वेश्चन जाता. आता म्हाका कळटा स्पीकर सर की गेल्या 3 वर्सां हाजेर कितें तरी भितरल्यान विचार चालू आहा. आम्ही हांगा लॉ मेकर्स, आम्ही हांगा कायदो करतात. 3 वर्सां जर विचार हाजेर चलतालो जाल्यार why were we kept in the dark? Why there was so much of secrecy? What is the reason for secrecy? So I think, Speaker sir, we as a House should not allow this to be bulldozed. We have to send this bill to the select committee. Thank you, Speaker sir.
Yes.
Good now.
Speaker sir.
Wait, I'll
Carlos
speak.
Ferreira, please.
You really have to speak.
Carlos Ferreira, please.
Amendments. Honorable Speaker, a projection is sought to be made that this is required as per the NEP policy which has come out. But I will just read this part of the NEP. Institutional restructuring and consolidation, which is in para 10. And they speak about clusters and para 10.3. This vision of higher education will require in particular a new conceptual perception understanding for what constitutes a higher education institution, HEI, that is a university or college. A university will mean a multidisciplinary institution of higher learning that offers undergraduate and graduate programs with high quality teaching, research and community engagement. The definition of university will thus allow a spectrum of institutions that range from those that place equal emphasis on teaching and research, that is research-intensive universities, those that place greater emphasis on teaching but still conduct significant research, that is teacher-intensive research university. Meanwhile, an autonomous degree-granting college, AC, will refer to a large multidisciplinary institution of higher learning that grants undergraduate degrees and is primarily focused on undergraduate teaching, though it would not be restricted to that, and it need not be restricted to that, and it would generally be smaller than a typical university. And this whole NEP shows that you can have institutions affiliated to that and you can still have a public university. In Maharashtra, there is a Maharashtra Public Universities Act 2016, and section 5 of that provides the university shall have the powers to, and I'll read 24, lay down the conditions for affiliation of colleges and recognition of institutions, taking into account the credibility of the management and the norms of the academic performance of colleges, faculties and the subjects as may be laid down from time to time, and satisfy itself by periodical assessment or otherwise that those conditions are fulfilled. To admit to the privilege of the university, this is 25, affiliated colleges and institutions not maintained by the university, and withdraw all or any of these privileges, temporary or permanent. So this shows that a public university can be there with affiliated colleges, and it can still function for your multidisciplinary subjects. Now my respectful submission is, here in Goa, private universities bill was brought, and it was assured that they will not run parallel courses with those being offered by the colleges in Goa. Unfortunately, in South Goa, colleges which have opened up are taking actually the disciplines which are being offered by the private colleges, and these private colleges are now having, what shall we say, a flight of students into these private universities, and therefore their numbers are decreasing, which means they'll have to close down. Now, Ravi Naik's college is seeking permission for this multidisciplinary and teaching. Still it is awaiting permission. St. Joseph's College, they are not getting the permission. And now look at the scheme of the Act. The scheme of the Act provides that all the staff of the colleges will become staff of the university. Second, what happens is they are allowing the principal to be appointed by the management, only the principal. But the teaching staff and the non-teaching staff will again become part of the university staff, but it does not say that the management will be able to appoint fresh or new staff, except that the control will remain with them till they retire or they die or they have gone away. But otherwise, it means that the management of that institution will only manage the principal and nothing more. So therefore, that institution will automatically have to be virtually closed down because you are managing only one. And then, what happens to the status of the minority institutions? They have rights guaranteed under the Constitution. Today, they have the right to appoint, right to choose, and right, because both the rights are there concomitantly, right to establish and right to administer. They are institutions of their choice. My amendments which I have proposed are there with the intention of protecting these fundamental rights, also giving them the powers to appoint teaching and non-teaching staff. And also I have in clause 6, I have deleted that where it will not be a non-affiliating college, university, but I made it a public university shall have the power to admit any college or institution to the privilege of an affiliation. My respectful submission, if the government even looks at this Maharashtra Public Universities Act, it is so detailed and I thought it is so well drafted. As against this sketchy type of a draft, I think that we should actually put this into a select committee or we should reject this bill.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, I stand to speak on the bill, Goa Public University Bill 2025. Speaker sir, पहिलं म्हणजे आम्ही गेलते फावट हे डिस्कस करता असताना एक विचारलेले की हे बिल जे आसा ते एकेडमिक जे कोण आसा तेंचे कडेन चाललेले आसा आनी तांकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतलेले आसा. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका जसो रिपोर्ट गावल्लो आसा त्या प्रमाणे तांकां सांगलेलें, पण तेजे नंतर तांकां हेंय सांगलेलें की ग्राउंड लेवल जी एनालिसीस आसा ती करतले म्हणून, मात ती जाली ना. स्पीकर सर, अजून पर्यंत सरकारान जो कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ स्टुडंट्स कितली आसा हेजो इवॅल्युएशन जावं जो तांकां प्रॉमिस केल्लो की कंडक्ट अ स्टडी ऑफ कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ एंटायर स्टुडंट आनी कितले हे आसा ते आसा सद्याच्या कॉलेजीन ते जावंक ना. स्पीकर सर, हो आमकां रिपोर्ट गावल्लो आसा. स्पीकर सर, तशेंच आमी पळयता लिमिटेड ऑटोनॉमी हे समज बिल हें जालें, लिमिटेड ऑटोनॉमी मेळटली आनी क्लस्टर युनिवर्सिटीज जितल्यो आसा तांकां थंयच लिमिटेशन उरतली. degree of shared governance and decision making which can restrict the autonomy of the individual colleges within the cluster फक्त थंयच ब्लॉक जातले. स्पीकर सर अनेक इश्यू आसा तो म्हणजे आयडेंटिटी एंड ब्रँडिंग चॅलेंजीस. आता स्पीकर सर आमच्यो ज्यो कॉलेजीस आसा त्यो खुबश्यो आनी तेंची आयडेंटिटी डिफरंट आसा जावं तेंचो कल्चर जो आसा तो डिफरंट प्रमाणेन आसा आनी गोंय तुम्ही पळयता आसतना सामकें ल्हान राज आनी ह्या हितून ते कशें ती हो इश्यू सॉल्व करतले हेजें क्लियरिफिकेशन हांगा ना. स्पीकर सर आनी एक जो आसा जो मॅनेजमेंट आनी कोऑर्डिनेशन इश्यू. आता मॅनेजिंग क्लस्टर कॉलेजीस जो आसा तो प्रत्येक जाण म्हणटाले की आपूण हेड जावपाक सोदता सो तांकां कितें करतले हेंय स्पीकर सर क्लियरिफिकेशन ना. स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता फायनान्शियल कन्सर्न जो हेच्या पयलू घेतलेलो आसा की फायनान्शियल कन्सर्न समज आमी करता क्लस्टर करूंक सोदता जाल्यार ते क्लस्टर करतलो जाल्यार 25 CR इतलो जो फायनान्शियल बर्डन जो आसा हो कोण कलेक्ट करतलो. कित्याक समज इन्क्लुजन ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट एडेड कॉलेजीस इन क्लस्टर मे रायज कन्सर्न अबाउट पोटेन्शियल फंडिंग कोण फंडिंग करतलो तेही स्पीकर सर तेंचेर बर्डन येतलो. स्पीकर सर तशेंच लॅक ऑफ क्लियरिटी इन फ्रेमवर्क आमी पळयता some should have experienced concern about the lack of clear and comprehensive framework for establishing and operating cluster university in India. Speaker sir, हे already Indian अशें चालू आसा की जो cluster university आसा हांकां issues जाल्ले आसा. Speaker sir, आमी तेच सांगून स्पीकर सर हांव एकूच म्हणटा की आमी हे जे बिल आसा जे गोवा युनिवर्सिटी आयज गोवा युनिवर्सिटी आसा आनी अशे क्लस्टर कॉलेजीस हाडली जाल्यार तेका खूब इन्फॅक्ट जावपाची शक्यता आसा आनी हेजो जो स्टडी जावं एंटायर रिपोर्ट जो आसा कॉम्प्रेसिव्ह रिपोर्ट हो आमकां तरी दाखयल्लो ना आनी ऑफिशियल रितीन जे इन्स्टिट्यूट आसा जे कॉलेजीस आसा तांकांय दाखयल्लो ना. सो हांव स्पीकर सर हे पूर्णपणा विरोध करता ह्या बिलाक आनी हांव मागता की हे सिलेक्ट कमिटीक घालचे नाल्यार हे रिजेक्ट करचे. थँक्यू स्पीकर.
Because at the very outset, I wish to register my deep and well-reasoned objection to the Goa Public University Bill 2025. Survatik, because while the bill invokes the lofty aim with regards to National Education Policy 2020, it is blind to the unique demography, social and economic realities of the state. Because this bill should not be bulldozed through. Police is because of the bill's entire premises is not aligned with the intent of the NEP 2020. When I say that, it's because NEP 2020 policy padya, when read in full, speaks of context-sensitive reforms. It speaks of integration of institutions. It speaks of rational use of resources. Anik, it does not call for multiplying universities in small states with limited student population. Speaker sir, if you look at Goa's birth rate, it has declined alarmingly over the last decade. It has fallen from about 13.3 births per 1,000 people in 2017 to just around 10.7. Now this is not an academic statistic. It is a stark indicator that the pipeline of future students is drying up. Because over more than a decade, Goinche population growth has been very minimal. It has grown roughly from 14.6 lakhs in 2011 to under 16 lakhs in 2025. Anik, ye ek sharp contrast to the much larger student base and the growth rates of states. Intun where multiple public universities so that this makes no sense. Large number of youth, speakers sir, are already abroad for their higher studies and work. Lakhani Goinkar are settled in working overseas. With such out-migration, the available student base within Goa is being further eroded. Ana, Speaker sir, in bill padya, this endangers the very existence of Goa University, a state-funded institution with a proud 40-year legacy. Disaffiliation of its colleges to form cluster colleges under new public university will hollow this out. It will cause damage to its reputation, to its infrastructure, to the institutional coherence. Ye cluster model basically will fragment rather than consolidate the academic strength. Instead of जे एक building एक synergy जावपाक जाय, it will create multiple smaller entities and each will be basically struggling for numbers and हे struggle जातले in faculty, in students and in research. Speaker sir, जे स्टेटान आमचे इतले प्रायव्हेट युनिव्हर्सिटी बिल हाडीत आसा and this could lead to possibly 5 private universities coming in the state of Goa. And a bill jenna combined with the law basically will oversaturate our higher education landscape far beyond what our demography can sustain. Speaker sir, J statements, objects of reasons ye bilan asa, this contains no demographic study, it contains no enrollment forecast, it contains no workforce that is needed for assessment, it contains no economic viability analysis. In other words, this policy making today looks like it is without a compass. There is no direction. And the financial memorandum, Speaker, it admits that the full cost of this implication cannot be quantified at this stage. It is very clear. And yet it seeks the House's approval. Financial memorandum admits that the full cost implications cannot be quantified at this particular stage. Only rupees 25 crores, Speaker sir, is earmarked as an initial provision. And a token amount for an undertaking of this magnitude. Long-term zorito recurring burden Speaker sir, ye state exchequer is unknown and this is potentially crippling. Ada, the transitional provisions, transitional provision on, especially for the students, I call these vague. Why I call these vague, Speaker sir? J students make mid-course, they may find themselves under shifting administrative, shifting curriculum and examination regimes. When I say that, Speaker sir, this will lead to basically confusion, inequality and a possible legal dispute can arise. Speaker sir, J governance structure what proposed kota is overly centralized. When I say centralized, Speaker sir, from appointments to dissolution. The government and the chancellor hold sweeping powers. They have all the powers and such concentration of control basically undermines the principle, academic autonomy chi principle asta. And this particular thing undermines the principle of academic autonomy. And intun direct, this opens the doors to political interference. Speaker sir, G governing body and executive council today are heavily dominated by government nominees. Very limited representation from independent academia, from the industry or from the civil society. And this is not a balanced governance, it is executive control of higher education. Section 50 padya, Speaker sir, intun government broad subjective powers dila to dissolve a public university. And uncertainty will hang over every such institution. They will be scared that the government has powers from the day it is established. This will hamper the long-term planning and stability. If we know that the government has revenge power, then why will I move with that particular education institute? And creation of multiple public universities, itun requirements are, Speaker sir, duplication of high-level posts, jao vice chancellor, jao registrars, jao financial officers, jao controller of examiners, jao deans, intun zoritor twilan, this is basically drawing already a scarce talent away from teaching and research into administration. आता ह्या बिलांत क्लेम केलेले आसा स्पीकर सर की new universities will attract large number of international students. Itun jori tor chule, this is unrealistic. Why I call it unrealistic is how can we get international recognition? How do we get international recognition? Without any significant investment today in world-class infrastructure, in globally competitive faculty service, strong research credentials, in our improved rankings. Conclude Zoritor Keller, Honorable Chief Minister, rather than creating these new institutions, the state should focus today on reforming and strengthening Goa University to meet the NEP goals. This includes upgrading the facilities, introducing multidisciplinary programs, enhancing the research output and building industry linkages. जे public institution पण आमगेले आहे, this must be strengthened and not weakened. NEP 2020 calls for multidisciplinary आणि एक holistic education आसपाक जाय. This can be fulfilled through thoughtful restructuring of the existing institution. Not by creating a multiple parallel system. एक ही parallel system in the state of Goa with only 16 lakh people. आज आमची absence जरी तर चले स्पीकर सर, demographic आणि fiscal planning, we are आमची absence आसा on the duplication of functions, the threat to Goa University's survival आणि the grave risk of wasteful expenditure. हे सगळेच वेळार I demand that this bill has to be sent to the select committee, and this committee itself should include educationists, economists, demographers, representatives from Goa University, members of the civil society. They need to take a comprehensive impact assessment before any irreversible जरी तर आम आज हे bill pass केले, irreversible हेजी damage जातली, आमचे future generation will look at what has been proposed today. Honorable Speaker, my above stated point, जे पण I सांगला, are just not abstract objections. They are grounded in demography, on the financial reality. They are about preserving the integrity of Goa's highest education system. Speaker sir, to rush this bill, ji tumko majority would be a disservice to the state and injustice to the future generations of our state. I therefore urge with the strongest possible term that this bill should be sent to the select committee for proper scrutiny before this house takes any decision. Thank you, Speaker sir.
त्याने बटन पहिले चिडलो मग पहिले चिडलो आलो त्यांनी दिवना 2 मिनिटं दी स्पीकर सर हे जे बिल जे प्रेजेंट केलो स्पीकर सर तेजे चोईल जाल्यार ड्यू टू नो एक्सप्लिसिट रिजर्वेशन the risk of marginalizing local students is going to be there. So आमगे लोकला भुरग्यांक त्रास जातले, तांकां एडमिशनाक त्रास जातले आणि दुसरे स्टेटीतली भुरगे येवन हे युनिवर्सिटी फ्लड जातली, हे क्लस्टर युनिवर्सिटीज फ्लड जातल्यो. There is a threat to the Goa University autonomy and its relevance. This could weaken the Goa University's role as the primary higher education institutions. Because sir, yes, about the composition of the Executive Council under the clause 19, page 19. Because sir, I feel that the composition of the EC is too big. Having 33 members is not advisable on a body like the EC. On this body, there are 3 deans, but representation should be also given to teachers who do not hold any statutory positions. If librarian and director
हांव गोमंतक वाचता. गोमंतकाची आक्रमक भूमिका गोंयकारपण राखपा खातीर हाचे खातीरच गोमंतक वाचपाची गरज आहा. हांव वाचता, तुमी बी वाचात.
आमचो गोमंतक मराठी पेपर बरी सारकी गुड फेर न्यूज दियत आसा. तांचे हांव खूब खूब आभारी.
की गोमंतक प्रिंट मिडिया प्रत्येक बारक्यान बारीक मायन्युटली ते मॉनिटर करून ते लोकां